Now we are gonna make some rooms. So folder rooms. I will change color of this to green and neon. Set transparency to this. And turn off collide and touch. I will make this transparent later, just for game developing I need to see it. It's 3 left control plus S to save for safety. Delete this and let's go make some room. We'll make bigger base plate. Take this, move it to here. And the rooms. I will make some classic room. Like, it can be bigger. Avatar, block avatar. Oh, it's big. This is okay, I think. Anchor it. This is okay. Move it here. Floor. Room folder. It will be how it named? Rooms. Classic Roblox Forest. Classic Roblox Forest. Yeah. Move here. And now I'm gonna make some walls. Make it fake, like 5 stats or how it's called, because Sun will be doing some glitches with it. Like, was it? Like, is there space here? No space like this. Flip it. This. And this. It's not making white lines here because it is thick. A roof, I don't think we need that now. I will add it later. So this will be walls. I will copy it, paste. And we have one room. Classic Roblox Forest. This is good here first. For it, I will change color of this to dark green, and I want classic look of Roblox. So I have this plugin Resurface, and we want inlet stats universal. I will take universal, what it will then. Yeah, this is good. It's looking old enough. Walls will be, can do it like dark. Oh, this is cool. This is good. Like this. Delete. Oh, I can use him. Ignore these errors. For the forest we need some trees. So I'm gonna make a new folder here and things. The mine. Like this. So I will use this later, and now we need some tree. So I'm gonna spawn now this, but cylinder and things, make it bigger. Oh, it's big. Like, yeah, this. I will gonna add alt look of Roblox to it. Yeah, this is cool. Dark tree, is this good or no? That's ugly. This and this is... Oh, this is better. Now we're gonna make leaves. Okay. It's dark, and it will not be cylinder, but ball. Is this a good tree? I don't know. Maybe it is good. Left control, select it, and make left control G to model 3. We can spawn more of it. Because it's forest, we need a lot of trees. A bit. Is this good enough? Yeah, this is good. Now, move the spawn 1 here, where you want your position of spawn. So I want it here. So it will be here. We can try it. It's spawning there. There's trees. Now this. And now I want the button here. Yeah, the button. This button. But I will make it... I will create new folder. The buttons. Make folder for room 1. Change this button cylinder. And size it to small. So it's small button. We can make it bigger like this. Make it... I don't know. We can use a lot of colors now. Red. It's looking good. What material? Glass? I would just use smooth plastic and find some location, like maybe here, or why we can add it here. It will be in secret position. Yeah, button. And move it to room 1. Button. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, we can click on it. It's highlighted view. But it's so easy. I want more location of it. Not just one, like player will see some videos and walk here and oh, button, click on it. I want just 2 or 2 location for first map. For this, I will make how to make it. Wait, I'm thinking I can rename it to 1 with 2 buttons, and room 1 will be place of the button. So just copy it and place 1. Delete everything from it. Now position 1. Position 1. Position 1. This will be first location, and second can be in the here. Oh, it looks good. No. This is good. Position Q. And we want to be invisible. So, like this. Turn off can collide, can touch. It will be just there, but player won't see it. And this button will move randomly. So, in the script, I will use new function. And that function will be while I don't know if it will be locked or no. Random moving of object. Yeah, I can make it here. While true, you wait like 30 seconds. Every half minute, it will take some random position. Now, Cal room will be game, workspace, buttons, and find room dot and where is in value? Oh, we need room value. Yeah, room value. This will locate through folder of that button. So room 1. Here, local room button positions will be room get children. And now we're gonna pick random position. Local math random position equal math random 1 hashtag button positions. Like this is number of children. Like we have 2, so 1 2 1 2 button start. And now we need pivot 2, and we will use button positions this bracket random C frame. I will outprint button as moved and make it to 2 seconds. So, and we have error. Index nil with child. So this value is nil. Oh, we can stop. I will do it like this. Local room value number equal how string to string room value. Now it can work fine. Button, wait, room 1. I will do something else. Print this. Print me name of it. Room 2. Oh, it's looking for a room 2. I'm stupid. No. That's my mistake. We need change it -1. Oh, it's working now. -1. It's doing to string. No. Delete this and Put this. Value -1. Now it can work fine. What's error? Bracket. Yeah, it's working. It was here. That has moved, and it's here. Finally, it's working good. Yeah.